these are diamond teeth. And you can see, that's completely sheared. That's completely sheared. That one's still there. That one's still there. So in 6 cuts at 400, 4 6 at 24, 2.4 metre for cutting for a 15mm sheet, you've just done your load.
This is just a tips for you guys on PCD or blades to cut compressed sheet or FC sheet. I'm just going to tell you the facts to help you choose which blade is going to be better for your job and better for your wallet. When it comes down to the actual teeth, half of them you'll find are PCD and half of them are TCT. There's a reason why you want the 2 different tips. One likes heat better, but one actually cuts better. So the more you can cut, the cooler you can cut with concrete, the better the cut will be. The 4 blade don't last as long, and they don't like anything much thicker than sort of 16 or 18mm. And what happens, you can actually see here, as the blade wears, it won't track straight, and you actually end up almost having the saw like that to cut along and cut. But as it does, it's just pretty much, you can see how rough that is, just grabs it, breaks it, and just busts it. It doesn't actually cut through it neatly. You will get quite a few meters of cuts out of these. So if you're the home handyman, 4 blades, probably the way to go. Doing professional jobs and you're getting paid to do professional jobs, your 6 or 8 blades are the way to go. The cut is a lot better. The finish is a lot better. These will often tend to, especially with your thinner sheets, these will smash your leading edge and also your front edge and your leading edge of when you cut. They'll actually smash and chip those away. So if it's a finished thing, you don't want that. You really want to go your 8 blades. The more blades, the better the actual cut, the smoother the cut. So once you know that, you can start looking into your polycrystalline diamond or your TCT. My advice is get one that has a half-half. I find they're so much better on the tooling. They last a hell of a long time. To me, it's all about the quality of the cut, the ease of use, the ease on your tooling, doing it right, doing it once. Silicosis, it's a real thing, guys. Safety gear, breathing gear. Get the right vacuum bags. These are obviously the saw blade. You got the vacuum attachment. There's not much point in having this if you don't have the right bag, because the moment you open that, you'll just get covered in dust. These actually have the full cover over, clip, seal, lock in caps on them. So, this is my little testing area. I even put, even though behind here is a filtered screen and there's filters behind this, I even put geofab over the top of this as another filter, because you really got to try and do your best to keep that dust in.